I've been exploring the Florida Lottery mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Florida Lottery app is a straightforward companion for people in Florida who regularly play lottery draw games or scratch-offs and want an easier way to check results and track tickets on their phone. It is designed for adult players who already participate and simply want more convenience rather than newcomers learning how the lottery works. Its main strengths are practical day-to-day tools. You can quickly see current winning numbers and jackpots, look up past results, generate numbers, review scratch-off options with remaining top prizes, and locate nearby retailers, which makes routine checks much faster than visiting the website or a store. The addition of barcode ticket scanning, highlighted positively in reviews, makes it easier to confirm whether a ticket is a winner without guessing. However, it is not without flaws. Overall ratings sit in the mid-range, and user comments mention lag, occasional crashes, and issues with features like the Promotions tab and ticket scanning for certain games, especially after updates. Some users also describe being logged out unexpectedly when using promotions, which can be frustrating if you frequently enter second-chance drawings. Overall, it is a solid choice if you value having official Florida Lottery information and ticket tools in one place and can tolerate the occasional glitch or slowdown. It may feel less appealing if you expect perfectly smooth performance every time or rely heavily on second chance and promotion features working flawlessly. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.